Hello everyone, good morning. Today is May 6, 2021. So as usual, we are here to discuss about the movement of the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. But before we proceed, this is only a disclaimer that there is no recommendation to buy, to sell, or to hold your position if you have shares of the companies that we are going to discuss today. So the purpose of this discussion is only for educational purposes, to study the support and resistance. So let's go to the chart as of 9:39 in the morning. PECI is up by 0.34%. But yesterday, he is down by 0.94%. Kung tingnan natin dito, nagpula yung candle ni PECI yesterday. And there is a parent ceiling of 653.37 million. So na-break po ni PCI yung support, horizontal support area yesterday. So tingnan natin kung makarecover si PCI and he will go back above on this area. But this area now, it will become a resistant. So it will act as a resistant. So if ever there is a rejection again, this is the next support that we need to watch for the PECI. So na-break po yan kahapon itong horizontal support area. So still downtrend pa rin ang PECI natin, is below all exponential moving averages and the inclined resistance, this line. So weak trend pa rin yung market. So let us check until 1 o'clock kung mag-green ba yung closing level ni PCI. But if ever mag-close yan ng red today, this is the next support that we need to see for PCI. Okay, so the most active as of 9:40 is OPMB, followed by Pure Gold, but Pure Gold is down by 1.09. And Metro Bank, SM, we have here also the RLC, Robinsons Land, Asian, Ayala Land, GT Cap, and Ginebra San Miguel, and Green, PX, BPI, and URC. This is the most active as of 9:41 in the morning. So this is only as of 9:41. So we will see until 1 o'clock, and during the closing time, we can see who is the most active. The final, no? But this is only for 9:41 in the morning. So still the trading continue until 1 o'clock. So sana mag-hold si PCI and mag-green siya ngayon. Kasi if ever mag-red, this is the next support that we need to see for the PCI. So let's go to the first one. We have IFGen. Tingnan natin si IFGen. Si IFGen is one of the blue chip company. Still IFGen is in an uptrend because he is above all the exponential moving averages. So we see there is an inclined support. So we call it as inclined support kasi nag-bounce po yung price every time na mag-hit siya on this area. So in this area, there's a bounce. So this is support. So nandito pa naman si IFGen above on this inclined support. So we need to watch na hindi ma-break ni IFGen itong inclined support. So if ever he will stay above the two exponential moving averages 50 and 20, this is still okay. But if ever he will break AME 20 and AME 50, possible he will go back to this horizontal support area, this line. But as of now, 9:43 is still above this inclined support. So just watch this inclined support and the two exponential moving averages, the 50 and 20, na hindi ma-break ni IFGen. Kasi kung ma-break yan, as I said, this is the next support we need to watch for IFGen. But kung hindi na ma-break, then it's okay. Just hold your position. For me, if I have if ever I have a shares of IFGen, I will hold if these two exponential moving averages ay hindi ma-break ni IFGen. the 50 and 20. So BRN, si BRN ay nandito naman siya sa may above all exponential moving averages. So still okay, but malayo-layo na yan sa may support area. So kung bibili tayo, dapat dito sa may support. Kasi nakaangat na po si BRN. Is up by around 5% or almost 6% now. So hintayin na natin kung mag-retrace going back on the support area si BRN. So dapat dito tayo nag-position sa my support area. Okay, but still BRN is in an uptrend. So it's still okay for me, but we need to buy always in the support, near the support area. So okay pa naman si BRN unless he is still above the all exponential moving averages. So BRN is still okay. MM, tingnan natin si Merrimart. So si Merrimart ay nandito na sa may support area. Malapit na sa may support area. So this is the area we need to see. But take note that still Merrimart in trend in adjustment. So bounce play lang po tayo dito. If ever there is a bounce on the support, going back to the next resistance line above here. If ever he will not break this resistance, then if there is a rejection, then of course we need to take some of our profit. If ever there is a bounce here and going up to this area, this resistance area, and there's a rejection, so of course possible he will go back again if ever there's a rejection. So but take note also that this horizontal support dapat hindi ma-break ni MM. Kasi kung ma-break yan, of course you need to exit because it will go back to this next support line below this line here. So if ever si MM ay ma-break na itong horizontal support area. So tingnan natin, no? If there is a bounce going back to this area, we need to watch if there is a rejection. But we need to take care always, no? We need to watch the support na hindi ma-break ni MM. Si Now Corporation, tingnan natin. Now is still in the support area but it is a downtrend. So masikip po yung mga exponential moving averages ni Now. So iwas-iwas muna tayo. For me, iwas-iwas muna ako kay Now because still below all the exponential moving averages. Kung tingnan natin yung exponential moving averages, ay masikip po yung moving averages. So hintay tayo na ma-break niya. He will go back above all the exponential moving averages. Si downtrend si Now. So next one, LC. Tingnan natin si LC. LC is still uptrend because above all exponential moving averages. So just watch this incline support na hindi ma-break ni LC and this horizontal support, this 0.18 area. So nag-down po siya and there's a bounce. So for me, I need to watch this horizontal support and this incline support na hindi ma-break ni LC. Kasi kung ma-break yan, we need to see in the ME 20 area. So still nandyan pa naman sa may support area si LC. Next one is WIB. Si WIB naman ay nandito sa my support but still he is in a downtrend. So we'll see again if ever we will climb back above all exponential moving averages. Tingnan natin kung babalik si WIB. PNB. Si PNB ay nag-retrace nandito sa my support area. So just check this support area na hindi ma-break ni PNB. EGI. Si EGI ay nandito sa may below all dito exponential moving averages. So we will watch the support area kung mag-bounce si EGI. So that's all for today. Thank you and God bless us all always.